Hi guys, it's me here Chocolate Madness, and today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Microsoft Word. I'm going to click Create Blank Document. Let's now. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to align it in the right side, left side, or in the middle. Or we can also justify. First of all, we're going to write some text. For the heading, we're just gonna write heading in capital, and then we're just gonna change to this to heading 1, and we're gonna change its size. 72. No, that's too much. 28. More big. 48. Yes, perfect. Now, this is our heading. Now the title. 48. Control A. We're gonna select it, and then 48. Then, while the text is selected, we're gonna go to Align Center, which its shortcut key is Control E, like this. To align it right, we can click it, or its shortcut key is Control R. It is Control L, but we want it to be in the middle. We're gonna click Control E. Our heading is done. We can write any type of text we want, also in the middle, like this. So we can write any single thing. I will write how to align the text. And we can also change its color. I don't want it to be red. I want to change it and do sort of a light shade of green. No, it's not green. Yellow. That is more bright. Yeah, like this. Now, we're gonna click OK. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!